Welcome to What is Fixed Income? The best example I have for it is going to be ticker symbol TLT. It's going to be the 20-year bonds. The reason I say these are going to be the best example of fixed income is because they're slow and steady. But slow and steady don't necessarily always win you the race. But sometimes that's all you need is something slow and steady to get you across the finish line. What is fixed income? Definition. A fixed income is a type of investment, aka an asset purchased to be held as an investment, that pays investors a fixed interest amount until it matures. When it matures, the principal amount that is initially invested is repaid. Understanding fixed income. Investments in fixed income securities are designed to pay a consistent income to investors. This comes in the form of fixed interest payments at regular intervals. Investors look for low risk investments, and steady streams of income are attracted to fixed income securities. The issuer of these securities, aka the borrower, are obligated to repay the principal amount of investment to the investor when the security matures. This is another reason why risk-averse investors may be inclined towards investing in fixed income securities over stocks. The more common type of fixed income investment securities are government and corporate bonds. Example: say a company issues a corporate bond, a fixed income investment security, with a $200 face value at an 8% interest rate. The bond will mature in 10 years. In other words, an investor purchases a bond at $2,000. He or she will generally not receive their principal amount until a decade later when the bond matures. However, throughout the 10-year duration of the bond, the investor is scheduled to receive fixed interest or coupon payments at 8% per year. Let's do the math. The company will pay the investor $160 in interest every year for 10 years. How do we get that? $160 equals $2,000 times 8%. When the bond matures at the end of 10 years, the company will pay $2,000 back to the investor. To sum up, the investor receives the $2,000 initially invested only at maturity date, but will get an 8% interest every year for 10 years. The cadence of interest payments may vary and can happen monthly, quarterly, or semi-annually. Takeaway: investing in fixed income securities is like investing with a timer. Every time the timer goes off, you receive periodic interest payments. But not even the lowest risk income securities are risk-free. There is a chance the timer goes off and you don't receive the payment. You could also lose some or all the principal you invested. Conservative investors prefer fixed income securities, but no investor is immune from risk. There's a picture here with like some apples growing on a tree, and as these apples fall off, which are the interest payments, you'll receive these payments. Okay, guys, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about fixed income. Is this something that you're interested in doing? Will you be applying the fixed income to your overall portfolio? Will it be a section of your portfolio? Guys, let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.